The VASAGLE 5-tier bookshelf is a versatile piece that fits perfectly in any room due to its compact design of 11.8 inches in depth, 31.5 inches in width, and 60.2 inches in height. Constructed from a combination of quality particleboard and a robust steel frame, this bookshelf is built to endure, supporting up to 165 pounds across its 5 tiers. Assembly is a breeze with clearly labeled parts and straightforward instructions, allowing you to quickly set up this display shelf without hassle. Safety and stability are prioritized with features like an X-brace for reinforcement, adjustable feet for leveling on uneven floors, and an anti-tip kit for secure wall attachment. The industrial design of rustic brown shelving combined with a black steel frame adds a modern touch to your decor, instantly enhancing the aesthetics of your space. This bookshelf not only offers ample storage, but also brings an industrial vibe, making it a stylish and practical addition to any living space.